Hi, this is Matt Stegman with Aqueous Solutions LLC, makers of the Geochemist Workbench. Today, I'll show you how to activate and deactivate your GWB license. Begin by opening the GWB dashboard by using a shortcut or the Start menu. When you open the dashboard and you have no currently active license, the software will prompt you to add a new one with an activation code. You can enter the code and hit Activate to get access to the GWB. If you want to deactivate or activate another license, go to the Support pane and click Activate GWB. Deactivating is required before moving your license to a different device. You should also deactivate any licenses before doing maintenance on your device. Please note that uninstalling the software does not deactivate any of your currently active licenses. Here, I am deactivating a license. The status of the license should say Not Activated. To add another code, such as another license or a subscription renewal, I'll click New. This will display the window to enter a new activation code. Thanks for watching. Check the links in the description or visit our website at gwb.com to learn more about the Geochemist's Workbench.